Take command of the road in the 2015 Mazda CX-5. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. All of the premium features expected of a Mazda are offered, including front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, heated seats, turn signal indicator mirrors, and a blind spot monitoring system. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Premium sound drives 9 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.